guys, welcome back to my channel. These amazing trees will show you that nature never runs out of things to show off just when you think you have seen everything there is to see in this world. I was merely surfing around social media when I came across a post with the photos of some of the most incredible trees. To make a long story short, I started researching and examining trees from all over the world. So let's take a look at the top 10 amazing trees in the world. Number 1. Socotra Dragon Tree. These incredible looking trees, also known as dragon blood trees, can be located in the middle of Arabian Sea on the Yemeni island of Socotra. These bizarre looking trees come in variety of kinds, with 37% of them being native to Socotra. Because of the scarlet resin found inside the tree's trunk, it's known as the dragon blood tree. Local tradition has it that the first tree was created from the blood of a wounded dragon who had been fighting an elephant. Whether true or not, the resin of these trees has been used for medicine and coloring for many years. However, only well-trained harvesters are allowed to remove the resin to avoid harming the tree. 2. Baobab trees. Isn't it massive? These baobab trees may reach a height of 100 feet and a width of 35 feet. Because of its amazing ability to store a significant volume of water, up to 32,000 gallons, it is known as the tree of life on the African savanna. It provides shelter, clothing, food and water to both human and animal inhabitants of the area. Number 3. Methuselah tree. How resilient can trees be? Well, the Methuselah trees can stay up to 5,000 years, according to research. This ancient bristlecone pine, standing still in the White Mountains of California, has been on the earth for 4,800 years. When talking about endurance, maybe it's about time we can take inspiration from the longevity of the Methuselah. Number 4. Rainbow eucalyptus tree. At the very least, I have seen one of the magnificent trees in my life because of the magnificent diversity of colors that can be seen on these rainbow eucalyptus trees. I'm still impressed by it. The tree's chlorophyll is revealed as the bark of rainbow eucalyptus trees begins to peel away, according to the study, resulting in a brighter green color. Tannins began to fill in as the tree ages, and the combination of these pigments and the aging chlorophyll results in one of the most colorful trees on the planet. Eucalyptus trees can also reach heights of 60 to 75 meters with a vehicle that can reach a diameter of 94 inches. Number 5. Pine trees of crooked forest. The pine trees found in the Poland's crooked forest are both stunning and strange. If you look closely, you can see how these 400 plus pines bend dramatically to the north and curve up after 1 to 3 meters sideways excursion. While there is no firm proof as to how these pines came to be, it is thought to have come from a man-made manner of tree growth. According to legend, these were culled on purpose to make timber for boat building many years ago. Number 6. Dendrosenecio. Giant groundsel known as Dendrosenecio Kenneodendron is not a tree, but it's both great and massive. So I'm adding it to the list. Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Kenya, and Aberdare Mountains are home to giant groundsel, a distant member of the sunflower family that only thrives at great altitudes in Afrotropic. It can reach a height of 6 meters. Number 7. The trees of Dead Valley. The trees found in the Dead Valley, which literally translates to dead marsh, have actually survived for a long time. Back when Dead Valley had a river running through it, supporting the trees that had grown there. Unfortunately, over 900 years ago, the surrounding dunes as well as the environment stopped the tree and stopped the river, resulting in the current Dead Valley. The trees in the Dead Valley have found it difficult to decay since it has gotten so dry. That's why the burnt trees in the barren forest are still standing after 1,000 years. Pandu tree. This isn't a forest at all. Pandu is only a single tree, the world's largest creature. Pandu is a large group of quaking aspens that literally means ice spread in Latin. If you remember from your science class, aspens have the unusual capacity to create genetically identical offsprings through offshoots that grow directly from their root system. Aspens may disappear to be colonizer in a broad geographical area because of their outstanding capacity to multiply asexually through their root system. Number 9. Windswept trees in New Zealand. Do you have a bad hair day? Well, that can't shake the trees of a slope point, New Zealand. These trees can be found in the southernmost point in the New Zealand's South Island, which are constantly lashed with fierce and cold southwesterly winds that blow from Antarctica. How strong? Well, the wind is intense and relentless, blowing from the Antarctica can go as to 2000 miles per hour, resulting in the windswept form of these trees. Number 10. Beech trees. What do you think when you see these trees? Game of Thrones? That's correct. The dark hedges are a group of beech trees that line Bergag Road between Armoy and Steincombe in County Antrim, North Ireland. It has been used as a location for a well-known television series and has become a popular tourist destination. What's to stop you? Who wouldn't be interested and pleased to see these trees constructing an atmospheric tunnel leading to a mystery dimension? Unfortunately, after 250 years of life, the beech trees are nearing the end of their lives. According to a tree specialist, these old age pensioners have grown extremely vulnerable and are already having difficulty recovering, especially with the increased number of storms. I hope you liked learning about all of the world's most wonderful trees as much as I did when researching them. I'm already missing hiking and exploring the depths of the mountains. See you all in the next video.